How to reset your TikTok feed. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok feed so that you get recommended new videos. So if you're getting bored with the video recommendations you're getting on your TikTok feed, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your recommendations so that you'll get shown different videos on TikTok. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to reset our TikTok feed, the first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then select the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile on TikTok, simply select the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu, and then select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down under Content and Display and select Content Preferences. And then once in Content Preferences, select Refresh Your For You feed. As you can see, this will reset your feed on TikTok to show you just popular videos. And then the more you interact with the videos, the more they'll show you videos relevant to your interest. So select Continue and then confirm you want to refresh your TikTok feed by selecting Refresh. After that, you can tell them a little bit about why you reset your TikTok feed, but you don't have to. So now you can go back and then select Home and you'll see your new reset TikTok feed. All right, so that's how you reset your TikTok feed. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.